Welcome to the world of PHP.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is Pratik More and you're watching PHP Developers. So today we are connecting a database. So for that I'm opening my XAMPP. Yeah, I have done. Now we will create a database. So for that I'm opening phpMyAdmin. So here we will create our new database. Let's name it pddpb. Okay, and then we will create this. So basically this is for sign up and login. So we will open our sign up form to check which field I have written. So for that here I am opening my site and then we will go to sign up. So we can see here name, email, password and re-enter password. So there are three fields basically: name, email and password. We will use 4 columns, that is one for ID, one for name, one for email and one for password. So let's name it admin and click on go. After this, here we have to use ID, that is integer, and let's say length is equals to 50 and we will auto increment it. So we will give primary key to ID and then we will write name that comes in varchar. Let's give some size, that is 20. After that email, again varchar, let's give some size 50 and then password. So now we will use varchar and let's give some size, let's say it 20. After that we will save this. Okay, our database is created now, and for structure we can see here ID, name, email and password. So now we have to connect this database pddp to our sign up form, or we can say that we have to just connect our database to our PHP developer site. So for that I am writing some script. Let's open our PHP developer folder. In that we will use Dreamweaver. that's not opening. And it is not showing on this. Wait a little. So let's try a different way. We will open our sign up page and then we will create a new file. Yeah, done. After that we will create a new page, and now we are writing a script of PHP. Let's name this config.php and save it here. So here we are writing our code. Of PHP. Now the first thing we will do is so I have done a mistake here. So now we will type Mysqli $mysqli is equals to Mysqli underscore connect localhost root, password is nothing, and then our database name, that is pddpb, and then as here our connection is done to our database, and we are setting $mysqli is a variable, and this is a syntax of Mysqli connect. First a host, second is your username, and this is your password, and this is your database name. So according to PHP 7 we are writing this database and we are creating database connectivity, and we are using here PHP 7, so therefore I am using Mysqli, and before this the PHP 5, before PHP 5 there is MySQL version. So now we will use some conditions so that if our database is not correct, then it will show an error. And here our if condition is closed. So now let's check in browser. As I said, let's check in browser. Before this there is some error, and here we have to use error function. Yeah, and this is done, and here it is error, so we will use error, and after this we will check in our browser that file is connection is done or not. For this we have to write a path of this. Developers and config.php. So you can see no error is seen. That means our connection is successfully done. So this is here our database connectivity is over. So database is now connected with our website. So now we have to connect our sign up form, the sign up form with our database. So that I will show in next video. So here our chapter is over.